Glad you came back. What we're going to do today, we're going to make some shashlyk. I'm going to make it out of beef, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to do. Just do it like 2 days in advance. That's all you need. And actually, I keep some of my freezer here. I make it, and there's some right there. I make it, bag it, freeze it, and when I go out of town or something, if I want to do some grilling, I take it with me. And or if I don't have nothing to think about cooking that night, or in a hurry, I pull it out and it's defrosted in no time. So let me show you what you need. You need a cut of beef. Anything will do. Last time I made it out of brisket. Now brisket was a little tough, so you need to put tenderize in it. You need an onion, lemon, garlic, fresh garlic or minced, olive oil, dill. Dill's the secret. Vinegar, red wine, or malt, whichever one you prefer. Salt and pepper. All right, I'm gonna show you how to do it real quick. Very simple. All right, and generally I like to cut mine pretty big in hunks. So you can do it either way. You can make small hunks or big hunks. Because I'm not working with a whole lot of beef here tonight. Generally I would do, a huge piece of meat, but for the sake of the video, I'm just going to do a little bit. All right, so what we're going to do is I'm just going to cut this in kind of even portions. Then I'm going to throw it in the bag. Just got a Ziploc bag. If you want to freeze it, get a freezer bag, and make sure your meat don't have any gristle in it. You don't want anybody having a hard time chewing. Get back. Mr. Chubb wants to get involved here. All right, so I got the meat ready, cut. We're gonna throw that in my bag. Or if you're planning on, I always throw it in the bag because I might freeze it. So if you plan on using it in 2 days, you can throw it in a metal container and throw the metal container in your refrigerator or bowl or whatever you want to use. All right, now you take your onion. I cut it in kind of big hunks, just kind of quarter it. That way you can get it on the stick. And garlic. And garlic's just throw you a hunk of garlic in there. There is no measuring here with me. I don't measure anything. I just do it. Measurements for, I ain't gonna say. All right, olive oil. Fill you some olive oil in there, and that's just to basically coat the meat and when you cook it. And it's gonna do a little bit of marinating and tenderizing. Vinegar. Throw you a couple shots of vinegar in there, and salt and pepper. Let's move that out of the way. Salt, pepper, lemon. Cut it in half. Take your lemon, just squeeze it in there. Throw your lemon in it. Lemon, just squeeze it in there. Throw it in. All right, here comes the secret ingredient. Dill. You never would believe dill. But of all things, it works really good. All right, and really douse the dill. Give it a good shot. You see how much I got in there? All right, and you can kind of see how much oil and vinegar. You just want to coat everything. All right, now I'm gonna shut my bag. I'm gonna mix it all up. And beef, pork, chicken, it all works good, whichever way. And I've actually done it with buttermilk before. Instead of using vinegar, you can use buttermilk, or you can do buttermilk and vinegar. When it sits in this bag, it's actually cooking. That vinegar will actually cook into this meat. And when you put it on the grill, it takes very little time. You actually have to cook it. And it's extremely tender, unless you got a really hard piece of meat, like I was telling you with the brisket. But anyway, we're gonna put this on the stick, and I'm gonna see y'all at the grill. All right, guys, I got these things on for about 3 minutes now. It don't take them long. Once they sit in that lemon juice, I mean, it don't take long at all. Normally I cook with the top open. So let me just let you take a look. What I got on here is I got the meat, the onion. I put a little zucchini. I have one in the refrigerator. You can put anything you want. Bell pepper, and I got the mushroom on there. So this is about after 3 minutes. Now I'm gonna roll them over one more time, and then I'm gonna pull them off, and then I'll show you what they like. Okay? All right, guys, got these things ready. So I'm about to pull them off. I threw the ones that were ready on top. Ooh wee! Them right there gonna be good. Look at that guy. Okay, I'll see you when it's time to eat. All right, we're gonna try this thing out. See how it is. This is Mr. Chubb. He wants some too. I know it. I got chili sauce here. Ooh, that's delicious. Try it. You'll like it. Till next time. Adios.